Right guys, so I have come today to meet my friends. And we're walking through the old town of Alicante, heading up to the castle. And I thought I'll turn my camera on, let you see it. Alicante. Chiquita.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain.
Fabulous castle, it's massive.
And as the light
We've arrived! Should have brought my car.
disguised, and now there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on her skin.
And Alicante is very big, it continues on, away on over there in the distance. And to be honest with you, this is the not so pretty side of Alicante.
Breezy we go, easy, easy on our tiptoe.
Now if you're not good with heights, close your eyes.
Cover, agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all.
Fantastic! That beach has got about 10% of the amount of people that were on it about a month ago.
Reaching for the ground, as willows align.
It's strange being here with people.
You found some friends?
I found friends.
Dreamy, breezy we go, easy, easy on our tiptoe.
I don't know what these things are.
Undercover, agents of the other.
It's a hairdryer.
Pencil show.
A bigger scale the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy we go, easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover, agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond low. Dreamy, breezy we go, easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover, agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond low.
There's a face coming out of the rocks.
Is there?
I think that bit of stone might be the eye.
Yeah.
That sort of thing, but you can only see it from down below.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Possession,
You don't see many of those around.
one piece in hand, it's a start.
Right, well I was going to end the video when I finished the castle, but we're going to take a wee walk down to the front. Might as well take you with me.
To say, how will I call?
Guys, what do you call this street?
Here, tell me.
We can't remember. It's a bit mesmerising when you look at the ground as you're walking up.
With your heart on your sleeve, it's a fine line between letting go and losing control. So I take my love and hide.
Anyone who hasn't seen this, I've just come across the most amazing tree
hanging down are actual roots. So they allow the roots to drop down, and eventually the roots get into the tree and actually support the tree.
Right, yeah.
Eventually. It's one of
Australian.
yeah,
Australian fig.
Australian fig. Yeah.
There's 23 trees registered in the catalogue. Some of them majestic and impressive. Hope you can see it. There's a big fish.
I kiss.
My legs are walked off me. It's only because I'm with other people. We're walking around shops. I never walk around shops. Although I'm not going into any. Spanish Guinness.
Irish Guinness in Spain. This resembling, you would say. Yes.
I don't drink Guinness. Hasn't tasted it yet. I dare it taste it. It's going to be hard to taste.
Would you put a flake in that?
Alright.
It's pure nectar, like.
So there you go. That was a wonderful wee day out, and I wasn't going to record anything. I only decided this morning in the car, so I hope that was worth watching. But that day, I've just spent that with they've been my friends, close friends, for 40 years, and their daughter, and Colin and Dermot and Neve, and it was just lovely to see them again. One of the things, obviously, about moving away and living in Spain, you don't get to see your friends very often, so that was wonderful. Thoroughly enjoyed it. Now, I'm going to end the video there, but so my regulars will know I've cut down a bit recently. I just haven't been making as many videos, and it's just, I think it's because I've got here, my life's changed and so many things going on. I'm so busy that I'm not as motivated, but I'm starting to feel that coming back again, and things are settling down. Now, my next video, I'm going to do another item off my bucket list, but it's massive. You're not going to believe what I'm going to do. Honestly, it's going to be a wee while till it comes out, but you're just not going to believe how mad my next video is. Alright? So don't miss it. Don't miss it. So, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Love to hear your comments. Any comments about Alicante, good to hear. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. It's only a small percentage of people that watch the channel, you know, actually subscribe. Okay? So, till next time, bye for now.